Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting licensed audio and the exact metadata. Open the NCS track page and verify reuse permissions. Note the artist and release ID. Once done, download the highest quality file. Prefer 48K HZWAV or 320 kbps MP3 for editing. Make sure to keep a local backup folder named with the track ID because you will reference it in credits. You should also sketch where the music enters and exits in your edit. This saves time when you trim and level audio later. You now place the NCS file into your timeline and set it on a dedicated audio track to avoid accidental edits. Use cut and fade tools to remove dead space. Crossfade short clips to prevent pops. Once placed, apply a high-pass filter at ~80 Hz if the mix feels muddy, and normalize so peaks sit near -6 dB. Make sure to automate volume for voiceover sections. Duck music by 6 to 12 dB because clear dialogue keeps viewers engaged. Double-check sync with key visuals. You finish by exporting with proper audio settings, 48K HZ and 16 or 24-bit, so the track stays true. Once rendered, place an on-screen credit and include the artist, track name, and no copyright sounds in your description as required. Make sure to save a screenshot of the NCS license page and the export preset for future audits. If a claim occurs, present your saved license and metadata. Troubleshooting tip. If a claim persists, dispute with the license screenshot and timestamps showing compliant use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.